Hey guys, I have a panda hat on. Okay, I'm just kidding. I really like to show you some things that I have on computer, and as you can see, I'm a paint. So we are going to just make some fun things on. Have you seen such a ugly nip? A retard. Have you seen such a big mouth? Have you? I'm look like a retard. E.T. is back. He's came to life. E.T. telephone home. Look, I'm licking myself. Retard. Oh my god! So, my computer is almost on battery. I'm so beeps. Okay, I'm just kidding. I got one more. So, ooh, my head is so tiny. Crowley. So, I think it's just gonna end like this. No, it ended like that. So, see ya guys. And I hope you really enjoy the video. I'm so damn weird. I can't take it anymore. Today, so we gonna use our elastic, two black, like this, black. It's gonna be the same color of your hair. Is best like that. But if you like other colors, then it's okay. And your hair is gonna be a little curly, but not much. It's gonna be like you have a really bad hair day, and yeah, and nothing helps and stuff. So, and you're gonna use a few bobby pins, like 4 to 5. I usually use 4, from 1 to 4. Then yeah, that's best. So now we begin with the tutorial where I set my hair, and listen really closely because sometimes you can't hear me that much. So turn it on full volume. So we are starting with, in the back here, we are split it in a half, two, like this. So we have in a half. You don't need. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just split it in a half, and how you like it. So I have a kind of short hair here, so it's kind of hard to make it. So I split it with my bang, and I split it up like this. Can you see? I split it up like this here, and I take it up. Now I take some bobby pin. Now I gonna loom it up again a little like this, and then I take some few bobby pins and pin it. So now we have the little bum here, and we split it in a half again. Then you take all your hair. If you don't like it in your ear, then you can take it off. But for my ears, I think my ears is alright under my. You take all your hair, twist it, or just like this, twist it there, and then you take your elastic and you just put it off. I usually put it just down on my ear here, just here, underneath my ear. So I put the elastic on, and voila, one is up. Now you take the other side and do exactly the same. You can see a little of your hair from your bum is sticking out. You can take it off too. It's really nice to dresses to have this hair. And yeah. So now we have our hair like this, and you can see it's really tight to the face, but then you just string it off like Pippi. You have a long strap, I think. No. Like this, and then you lay it down again. Then you take it in the back and like this, and then you just a little. And then you can set some bobby pin everywhere. So I'm done, and I don't care what this is. Look more fun and stuff, like you have been doing something when your hair is kinda like this. And later on the day, the hair in the back here is going to be quite long because it's gonna stick out a lot. So yeah, it's really, this hair is really cute and stuff. You can take your bang on like this too, and you can set it, lay it down, and you can do a lot of things. You don't need to pump it up like this. You can twist it and set it and stuff. So I think it's a really cute tutorial. So hope you enjoy. This is an extra part of my video to all the subscribers, or I just got one. But I'm really happy I got 1 subscribe. And as you can see, you can see, I'm in the kitchen today, and really I was going to wash the dishes, but I didn't want to, so I take my computer, and now I got this hair tutorial. So I really hope you enjoy, and see you next time. And I'm gonna got 1 bobby pin. So next time I think I'm gonna find some batteries to my camera and set it, put a block on. But remember, I made it for a long time ago with my friend, and she don't know if it is up or already. So I really hope you like it. See you next time.